Clamping miter joints with bar clamps is a frustrating tug of war. The wrong amount of clamping pressure and the joint slips out of alignment, compromising the entire glue-up. The miter clamping tool from Woodpeckers solves this problem by directing clamping pressure straight across the miter joint, pulling the joint together instead of forcing the 45-degree miters to slide against each other. Just clamp to each workpiece, then apply a third clamp across the joint using the V-sections in the clamping block. This ensures direct clamping pressure across the joint. Available in 2 versions, the MCT works with any stock width, from tiny quarter round to the largest picture frame moldings. Plus, softened ridges in the face won't mar your stock. Put together one corner at a time, or get the 8-pack and assemble all 4 corners at once. The Miter Clamping Tool from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.